Welcome to the screencast of Docker Deploy. We essentially extend the deployment workshop that we did in class. So in order to start off, we create a local repository on our local host using the following commands, and also I have set up two deployment endpoints, namely green and blue. As you can see here, the green.git and blue.git have been initialized as local repositories, and the green-www and blue-www would be the directories that would hold the Docker file and the code. So this right here is the application that I would be deploying. It has a Docker file. So let's have a look at the Docker file. This is a simple app that would run on port 8080 of the container. So let's go back. So let me do a git commit. For that, I'm gonna make some changes to the main.js file. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna add main.js. And I'm gonna push it to the green repository. This is gonna trigger the post receive hook that I have defined on the green repository. So essentially what this is doing is that it's gonna create a new Docker image from the Docker file that I just showed, and then it's gonna push the image to the local repository that we created above, and then this image is pulled from the repository and then deployed as a container. In case if there is a container already running by that name, it's gonna stop and then it's gonna restart with the new code. So this is basically creating the image here. I'm gonna pause the video because this is gonna take some time. So this has completed and our container should be up and running. Let's go ahead and check. So there we go. We have a container named green that is running, and let's go ahead and test if this gives the desired output. So I'm going to do localhost. I'm going to send a request to port 8090, which is mapped to port number 8080 on the container. So here you see I get a response from my app. So my app is running. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some changes to main.js, and we're going to see if that change is reflected when I do another push while this container is still running. So it should essentially stop this container, pull the new image from the local repository with the updated code, and then restart the container. So as you can see here, the container is still running. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a git push. What this will do is it's gonna delete the previous image, and it's gonna rebuild the image with the updated code, as you can see here. So again gonna take some time. So I'm gonna pause the video here. So the build is complete. I can see that a new container just got created 47 seconds ago. Let's go ahead and see if I can see the new version of my code. And there you go. Now let me try to push to the blue repository. I'm gonna do a commit and then I'm gonna push it to the blue repository and make some changes to the code so that it appropriately displays the output. This is a commit to the blue slice. So I just did a git push to the blue repository, and here it is again building up the image and spin up a container. I'm gonna pause it once again until it loads. So the setup is complete. So let's check if the container is up and running. As you can see, we have a new blue container. So let's test if I'm able to get a response from the blue container. So this is listening on port number 8091. And there you go. I get a response. Hello from Blue Slice. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.